What's up, guys? For today's video, I'm fixing whatever this is going on with the trailer. I have no idea what's causing it. Right now, it's like tilted to the side. If I grab it by the top here, I can straighten it out pretty well. So it seems like it has the ability to be squared up, but something is not working right under the boat. You can see where the V part connects to the main tongue. And I do this, there's a huge gap that you can just see it rolling. I'm guessing that something up there isn't tightened down. In addition to all that, I have new trailer wheels. They are sitting right here. These are completely dry rotted. I didn't see this at first, but you can see right here. I'm not dealing, oh yeah, you can see the seam starting to split right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this boat pulled off, take a look at the trailer and see what we gotta do to fix it. So my idea is gonna be to get this unhooked, and then I'm just gonna push it off the back and then pull the trailer out the front. I'm gonna see if I can do this without hitching up the boat. I don't feel like playing the car shuffle right now. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, this boat is so light. Okay, so what I'm seeing is that this is a tilt trailer. So basically this pin here can be pulled back to allow this front of the trailer to tilt back. My thought right now is that if I can just tighten everything up, it should help with the twisting of this center beam here. You can see that right now the beam is really only connected by that one bolt and then this U-bolt here. So my thought is if I tighten this U-bolt down, tighten that bolt down, and then maybe run another bolt right there, it should firm everything up and stop with the frame twisting. This whole thing needs to get like that. Okay, that's better. It stabilized it. Okay, that made a big difference. We are now looking pretty straight on the front, and then now when I move it, I don't get nearly as much play right here. So another idea I had was I have one of these bolts. This is like it'll be just enough to get through. If I run one straight down the center here, that will join this top piece and the bottom piece together. It won't be able to tilt anymore, but that's the point, and it'll definitely stabilize the front of the boat here. Washer and a lock nut. There we go. Okay. Perfect. The irony here is that the tilt mechanism that I locked down yesterday would actually be pretty helpful in getting the JON boat off the trailer. The trailer feels way more stable. All right, so now with full access to the trailer, I can double check all the bolts and connections, make sure they're all solid. I'm gonna pull these bunks, get them rewrapped. I'm gonna get the new wheels on, and then the trailer should be good enough where I can put the boat back on when I'm ready. Okay, so with the new bunks, all the bearings pulled and repacked, bearing buddies on each side now, keeping everything nice and good. Brand new tires. The movement system of the trailer, I'm really happy with. Everything's been tightened down. We're really good to go. The last thing I wanted to do was replace this winch. I don't know what this winch is rated for, but it seems to kind of be falling apart. I don't want to use this rope anymore, so I have a brand new winch I wanted to throw on that I think is going to make a big difference in functionality over here. I'll have a link in the description if you want to check this winch out. It looks like it was pretty good quality, had good ratings. I think it was like 25 bucks, something like that. It's not for super heavy boats, but for what we're towing, it should be more than fine. We'll get this bolted on first, and then we'll work on the handle. Top part here first. And there it is. After a quick bath, all cleaned up, this is looking absolutely killer. I'm super excited to get the boat finished up and back on the trailer, but overall, this looks awesome. All right, guys, well, if you found this helpful, don't forget to let me know by hitting that like button. If you want to follow on this JON boat build and the entire restoration I got going on, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.